Hey guys, we are now on to page 6. Lesson 1, tape diagrams. So this is new for a lot of us. It's not new for some of you though. Some of you have seen tape diagrams. Actually, probably most of you have. So we're on lesson 1, tape diagrams and equation. Which diagram is which? Here are two diagrams. One represents 2 plus 5 equals 7, and the other represents 5 times 2 equals 10. Which is which? Label the diagram, length of each diagram. So let's see. So this first one we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. What do we get when we add those all up? We get 10. The next one we have 2 plus 5, which is 7. So for our first diagram, the same thing as adding 2 5 times is 5 times 2. And this one we have two different lengths. We're not multiplying because this is multiplying because it's the same size. Equal pieces, same amount of times. Repeated addition. This one is just 2 plus 5. Next part, number 1. Draw a diagram. So we're going to do similar things for these two problems as up here. Let's see, for this one we have 4 plus 3. Well, 4 and 3 are similar in size. So I'm going to make this one just a little bit bigger. We have 4. We have 3. Don't know why I drew a 5. And we have a total of 7. For this one, we have 4 equal parts, and each one has 3 in it. And it equals 12. Or you can say we have 4 multiplied 3 times. So we have 4, which is the same also as 12. 4 times 3 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. All right, 1.2, match equations and tape diagrams. So we have diagram A, which is 4 plus something equals 12. We have diagram B, x equals 12. So we have to figure out which is which. So 4 plus x equals 12. So we have a diagram A. 12 divided by 4 is equal to x. Well, didn't we say this one? If it's similar to up here, it was 5 times 2. Well, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times x equals 12. It's also 12 divided into 4 groups. 4 times x equals 12, which we just wrote down. 12 equals, okay, so they both are 12 equals 4 plus x. 12 minus x equals 4. So I'm just going to take 1x away. Does that equal 4? No. 12 take 1x away. Does that equal 4? It does. So this one would be A. 12 equals 4 times x. This one says 4 plus x. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all x's. All right, try 7, 8, and 9 on your own. And then you need to show me in class when you see me next. 1.3, draw diagrams for each. Okay, so we're going to do diagrams similar to what we have up there. 3 plus something equals 18. So I start with 3, which I know, plus something we don't know, equals 18. Number 2, 18 is equal to 3 times y. That means I have 3 spaces. They are all equal, and they all have some number in them. We don't know what it is yet, though. That brings us to Lesson 1 summary. So we can draw tape diagrams to help understand relationships between quantities and operations. Operations means add, subtract, multiply, divide. Those are our math operations. So these are similar to what we saw. We have something broken to 3 with a repeated value in it. And remember, repeated addition is the same as multiplying. Or we have some value plus a number equals 21. What I want you to do is I want you to try and do this. Write down what the equation would be if we have this diagram. You don't have to solve it. Write down what would my equation be. Something equals 78. And this one, something equals 78. We're going to have write down both those. Remember, you don't need to solve them. You just need to write down what would that equation look like. And then again, show me when you're in class next. And that is our lesson 2 video.